up baddies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 of Vlogmas. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy box. I am a part of their creator studio, so I was able to get the regular glam bag and then I was able to get the glam bag plus. So I'm going to be unboxing that with you all today. If you guys would like to see what I got for this month, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss tomorrow's video. So I usually just get this box sent to me and it has the glam bag and the glam bag plus in it. But I received this box and it was sent inside of another box, and inside of that box I had another box. So we're going to be talking about all these boxes, okay? So this box is the Refreshments Box, and these are face and body essentials. I know in the other glam bags they do include some skincare and body care, but these products, I don't know if these are made specially by Ipsy, but it says that this is their new face and body essentials. And inside of the box it says, why settle for basics when you can have refreshments? Period. Okay, so it comes in this bag. As you know, this is like the same pouch that the Glam Bag Plus comes in. It's really cute. Inside, there's this velvety body cream, and it says that this nourishes and restores dry skin. It hydrates for up to 24 hours, and it includes shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Wait a minute. That sounds like my kind of party, to be honest. Like, I love shea butter, and I love grapeseed oil, and I love olive oil, so I'm actually going to really try this. Oh, our sparkling clean promise, always vegan and free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. Phthalates. Well, it says that this is squeaky clean. You know what it means? It doesn't have the bad stuff. It doesn't have sulfates, parabens, and the other word. I can't say it. And this is in the scent Citrus Spritz. It smells really good, y'all. I'm excited to try that one out, actually. I wasn't, to be honest, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't that excited about it because, honestly, the way, and see, that's why they say don't judge a book by its cover, but the way that it's designed, I thought it was, like, really, like, teenager-ish, childish, but it's definitely something that I could use, especially with the formulation. So the next thing I got is this Luscious hand cream, and this is in 2 fluid ounces. And the lotion I have is in 8 fluid ounces. So with the Luscious hand cream, it says that it nourishes the skin, nails, and cuticles with quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. I'm not sure if these are different, but they both have the same scent. And then the last thing that came in my refreshment box were these cleansing face wipes. The cleansing face wipes, it says, ooh, just 1 wipe removes grime and makeup without drying your skin. No rinse required. And they're biodegradable. And this one says it's free of all the bad stuff too. It has argan oil, aloe vera juice, and sunflower seed oil. That sounds really good. I don't really use makeup wipes, honestly, because I like to double cleanse. I will use makeup wipes, however, if I do wear, like today I have on mascara and eyeliner down here, so I can't get the stuff in there. So that's when I'll go in with the makeup wipes to remove everything. It smells, see, I don't know if it's my hand, but it smells like it has the same citrus smell. The stuff in there, so that's when I'll go in with the makeup wipes to remove everything. So this might be a good try. I wonder, it smells, see, I don't know if it's my hand, but it smells like it has the same citrus smell. So the Luscious hand cream, it says that it nourishes the skin, nails, and cuticles with quick absorbing. So with the Luscious hand cream, it says that it nourishes the skin, nails, and cuticles with quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. The star ingredients are shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil, like the body cream. And then it also came with some stickers, some cute holographic stickers. So next up, I have my regular glam bag, and this bag is, oh, this is so cute. Look. Ah, I said, look, y'all are here with me. Y'all are. But look at this. It's so pretty. Like, it has that really cute, I don't even know what this is called. I don't know, but it's so soft. So this is the Ipsy glam bag, the regular glam bag, and this one is $12 a month. But honestly, I've never used anything in here, and that's why I love Ipsy, because it's a chance to try new stuff. So the first thing in this bag is this powder brush, and this is by the company, wow, I'm about to butcher this name. BEAU, I don't know. By BEAU, I think. I'll be sure to leave the name down below so y'all can see. And this is their powder brush, and this is a Ipsy exclusive, so this is limited edition. Get it while it's hot, because it's cold sometimes. Use that for my contour. Next thing we have is the Perlis Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Iador Serum. And it says this one hydrates intensively, firms and brightens, decreases puffiness, and it's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. It's a sample size. The Ipsy Glam Bag, it comes with 5 samples, so like it's not gonna be full size, but sometimes they do throw in like a regular size item. But this, since it is an eye cream, you really don't need much, so this might really last a long time, you know. So next we have this Benefit Porefessional primer. I think I tried this primer before. I think I used the matte version and I did like it a lot. So the next thing is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. Murad makes some of my favorite cleansers, so I'm really excited to be able to have this. I can't wait to use this. It's been so long since I've used Murad cleansers. And last but not least, I got the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I think they said this is one of the #1 mascaras, so I'm super excited to try this out because if y'all saw my lashes, there are no lashes. So that's all that came in the regular glam bag. The regular glam bag is $12 a month, which is not bad, and I do think you can customize like 3 out of the 5 things. So next up we have the Glam Bag Plus, and it comes in the tie bag. Cute and soft, but I don't know, it feels like the material that's gonna shed. I wish that this one would have came in the same fuzz as this one but still had this color. I have Wander Beauty SkyLiner Automatic Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and this is in the shade Jet Black. Now Wander Beauty, the only thing I've tried by them is their eye mask. Oh, I like this. So this is basically a gel pencil. It's retractable. I don't know if you see it coming out. So you don't have to worry about any sharpening or anything, which is a plus. Okay. So next in my bag is this eye cream, and this is by the company Veriphy. This is their 2020 Phyto Glycogen and Peptides eye cream. I've never heard of this company, but y'all know I love eye creams. So with just this alone, the price of the Glam Bag Plus is like worth it. So next in the glam bag is this Tula Soap Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. It has sugar, papaya, pineapple, and probiotics. I'm about to use this in the shower tonight. And this retails for $32. So 32 plus 63. And then next in the Glam Bag Plus, this is the Nomad and Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow Palette. So it's mainly a neutral eyeshadow palette with some shimmers and some mattes. I'm intrigued to see how this is going to work, so I'm going to have to give this one a try. So next in the Glam Bag Plus, there's this QMS Medi Cosmetics Age Vitamin Day and Night Cream. It says that it's perfect for dry to normal skin. Use over face day and night. Ideally after your day or night collagen serum and any other treatments. Avoid contact with eyes and skin. This moisturizer, this is $140. $140 hairs. This is like the most expensive skincare I own right now, and this is what came in the Glam Bag Plus. I wonder how this is gonna work because I've been wanting to try out Skin Medica, but their prices is the same. I think it's because it's professional brand products. You pay $25 and I get a $130 product, and I can look like a baddie. Sign me up. So in the Glam Bag Plus, I got the QMS Age Vitamin Day and Night Cream, their Verify 2020 Eye Cream, the Tula Soap Polish Skincare Scrub, the Nomad and Tuscany palette, and the Wander Beauty Skyline Eyeliner. And so the total of all of this is whoa. So the total value of the Glam Bag Plus is $283.36, and you only have to pay $25 a month. $200, $25. This is worth it. And you know what's crazy? When I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, I always thought this was too expensive, so I was just subscribed to the regular Glam Bag, and I was perfectly fine with that. But really, the savings, I feel like you get more bang for your buck with the Plus. So I'm not sure if they're going to be including this in everyone else's bags, but Ipsy was so kind enough to send us some games for the holidays. So we have a deck of cards, and then we also have a puzzle game, and this is a 200-piece puzzle game. I've never really done a puzzle. I don't know. I'd rather read a book. But I'm definitely down to try this out. So that's it for my Ipsy December 2020 unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestions on ideas that I should do for Vlogmas, let me know down below. Until next time, baddies. Bye.